Alright, so this should be my ECS aluminum skid plate. Here it is. Doing this one-handed, so I'm going to try and slide it out for you and not terrify my dog. It's not light. I think it weighs 30 or something pounds. Boy. Okay. Hang on. Stand by. Okay, so we're back. It's heavy, and that wasn't easy to do one-handed. So there you go. You can see serial number, street tuning, leaning up against the car. Here's all the hardware that comes with it. It is thick. She's a thick, thick, thick boy. Thick girl. And it's going to protect all of that goodness at some point. But there she is. Vented, I'm imagining. Apparently, well, I'm looking at it now and I can see that there's no hole for the oil drain plug, so I'm either A, cutting a hole in this bitch for that, which I don't want to do, or I'm going to have to order the external oil filter thing from Jet that goes down there, and then it's a whole nother thing. But currently we'll do the oil change and then we'll pop this on, so it'll give me a little bit of time with this to see if I like it. But yeah, man, that thing is super duper thick. It's beefy for a couple $100, and it's definitely gonna, I live down a dirt road. Most of the roads where I live, they're not paved, out in the boonies, so that is going to help tremendously, because right now I have nothing. There's no plastic. Even the factory one currently isn't down there, so that's going to help. So thanks, ECS. I mean, you didn't give me a discount or anything, but good product. I like it.